Keeping the coronavirus out of long-term care facilities is critical to how deadly this virus will be. 62 deaths of about 125 in Nebraska are long-term care residents. Today, Life Care Center of Elkhorn announced a third death among 51 residents who tested positive. They chose to tell us about it. Otherwise, we would not know. The state and Douglas County Health Departments don't release information on specific facilities. 3 News Now investigator Jeff Van Sant has more.
We've seen some long-term health facilities hit hard by COVID-19. Life Care of Elkhorn is the latest, with 3 deaths. 51 residents and 22 staff are infected. Some with loved ones living there are scared.
No, I mean, when the nurses come in and battle here, basically, to give her a pill, to help her to the bathroom, to anything, I mean, it's hard.
Getting updates about what's going on in the facility doesn't come from local or state health officials. That job is left up to the individual facilities, and getting information from them can be sporadic.
If my mother's in a nursing home, if she has COVID-19, I'll get notified. But if her roommate has COVID-19, I don't necessarily get notified of that.
Todd Stubendek is with the AARP. The organization recently sent a letter to Governor Ricketts calling for greater transparency, quicker reporting of cases, and from what facility.
Right now, the facilities are required to report this to their public health departments, which are then funneling that up to the state. So the state has it.
3 News Now investigators uncovered issues within Carter Place assisted living community in Blair. With the help of 3 Rivers Health, this includes a failure of the facility to report fevers to health officials after the outbreak of the virus in the facility. 1 person died. That was in April. Today, 3 Rivers isn't responding to our requests for updates. Carter Place says they no longer have any cases of COVID-19 and won't say if there has been any more deaths, referring us to local health officials. It's the same issue within Douglas County Health. They won't provide details from a facility, and in an email asking why, we're told that we're following a policy set by the state for private businesses. We asked the governor at his press conference.
We at the state are not actually going to change what we're doing with regard to this. Again, if local public health departments want to release that information.
I don't know the governor's reluctance to release that information publicly.
The AARP says HIPAA laws protecting the privacy of individuals shouldn't be an issue. They don't want names, they just want numbers from each facility, giving all of us a clear picture on what's going on.
The more we know where the cases are occurring, the better we are going to be able to fight this thing.
Jeff Van Sant, 3 News Now.
Because Nebraska is not providing a list of the 89 long-term care facilities that have reported cases, 3 News Now investigators compiled as many as they could by calling nursing homes and assisted living centers directly. Check it out on our website, 3newsnow.com. And if you know of a facility we should reach out to, email us at investigate@3newsnow.com.